Okay, so I want to do a little house tour because some of you guys are asking me about it. I'm going to show you the cute little neighborhood. So the neighborhood is super cute. All the houses look like little doll houses, and they're just super cozy. Here's the Jeep and the car. When it snows, I don't know what to do with it because I don't know what to do with the snow when Craig's gone, so I have to get used to dealing with that. This is a little house. It's super tiny. I think it's like 1,000 square feet. It has these scary stairs, which are scary right now because it's icy, and if I'm not careful, like a minute ago I almost slipped and broke my butt. The puppies are going to be wild when I get into the house. Oh my god, it's cold. There they are. Hi babies. Hi babies. Okay, so when you walk in, here's the door. Immediately you like bump into the sofa because it's so tiny. We had to get a little love seat because our furniture, we actually left it in Florida. We gave it away because it was not going to fit in the house. It's so tiny. So this is a little living room. I try to make it as cozy as possible. Even though it's a rental, if I'm going to be here for a year, I have to feel cozy. I can't like come home or be home, and not have the house decorated. So this is what it looks like. So I just put 3 little baskets there. And then this little table I got from Danny, and little eucalyptus and cute little frame from Hobby Lobby. The puppies love looking out the window. Look how that dog is so big. He's huge. Okay, so then I have like this little side table right here, and I got that at Hobby Lobby. I'm telling you guys where I got stuff because I get that question a lot. These little chairs, believe it or not, I got them from Amazon, and the pillows don't fit because normally I have the pillows on the sofa, but that can't happen because look. So it's really basically all about the puppies. I normally have blankets all over the place for them. Yeah, so sometimes we even sit on the floor because they're comfortable on the sofa, right? Don't ever get a cloud sofa, by the way. All right, so anyway, then I have this little table I got from Amazon, and I've had this basket for like a million years. This I got at Target. Target has great stuff. And then I got this. The pillows are from Target, by the way. And then, of course, my little Kirkland candles, and I got that little vase at Target from Studio McGee. I haven't put that Christmas tree away because I kind of really love it. And over here we have the mantle, which I would never get rid of. I got this from Danny and I'm like obsessed with it. Okay, that's not straight, so it's driving me nuts. Okay, so this is what the mantle looks like. There's just like this half little wall, and I just have like, little wreath. Well, this isn't wreath. This is a garland from Target, and then I got these candlesticks from Hobby Lobby, and those are actually out for Christmas, but I have nowhere to put them because the house is like jam-packed, so I just kind of left them there. I've been collecting like vintagey, photos from antique stores. These are actually from Target, from Studio McGee. She has like great stuff, and I never thought I'd be into gold, but the house that we're building, I want it to be all white and cozy with antique, photos, so it's going to be kind of like a cottage style. That mirror is from Target, from the Magnolia. And then I got this little guy because that's part of like some of the stuff I'm collecting for the new house, and I'll show you that in a minute. But he was supposed to be bigger on Amazon, and he's not. Look how small he is. This pedestal is from Marshall's, and Chris always wants me to light his hair on fire, but I don't want to. This is from Studio McGee at Target, and these are from Magnolia, and I got those also at Target. And then I just have a little basket there from Kirkland's, and my blessed pillow. They always have that at Kirkland's. And then that little lantern. So this is what the living room looks like. And then on the left side, when you walk in, I have my little ladder here. And then I have this little doodad here, this table I got from Kirkland's, and I'm obsessed with it, but it is going to be painted. I'm not keeping it dark because I really don't want anything dark in the house. So that's going to be painted. And then this is from Hobby Lobby. This is something new from Magnolia at Target. And then this is also from Studio McGee. And then the little houses are from Magnolia and Hobby Lobby, the candlesticks. The mirror is also from Kirkland's, and so is the wreath. So that is, let me kind of back up so you can see what that looks like. And then we go into this area that I can't stand. My dining room set did not fit in there or in here. So we had to have kennels for the dogs because, and that man bought a giant kennel, oh my God. But we had to have kennels in there because when we leave, you know, this one right here likes to chew on stuff here and there. And so does that one right there. But they're being pretty good. We're actually been leaving them out of the kennel, so maybe we'll be able to get rid of those. So those kind of drive me nuts because I can't stand for things to look like that, but whatever. My blessed photo from Hobby Lobby. Craig bought me a whole set of Magnolia set for Christmas a couple years ago. So I just have that in that little wall right there. The puppies love going outside and they love looking out that window. And then I've really gotten into like these cutting boards. I absolutely love them. They're from Hobby Lobby, Target, and Kirkland's. And then that little, don't mind that. Ugh. This is from Kirkland's. I believe they still have that. And then I don't have a table, so the countertop's gonna have to do. So, you know, I bought these this is from Hobby Lobby, and well, actually it's all from Hobby Lobby. So I just had to put this together. It's just simple and cute, and that is for Craig to say good morning to him. So everything is super small here. So this is what the kitchen looks like. I mean, it's cute. The whole house is completely redone. So, you know, it's not like crazy, but it's just tiny. This is from when I do YouTube or TikTok or whatever. And just in case you're wondering, I did get this from Walmart for like $12. So that was a buy. Okay, so a lot of this stuff drives me nuts, but you know, I don't have any room. So I had to just kind of deal with it. It's just too crowded for me, but I don't have anywhere else to put it. And then I put this little thing together from Hobby Lobby, and this is from Kirkland's, and this is from Magnolia, Target. And my men's capsules, these are for Craig, so it reminds him to take his capsules. And then actually all these little signs and stuff, my fingernail's missing, I'm not actually keeping them. I'm going to be selling them or giving them away because I'm not gonna have, I don't have a lot of room space in the new house, like a wall space. But anyway, so this is all from Kirkland's. They love me at Kirkland's. And this little pedestal actually is from Target, from Magnolia. And so is a cake stand. So let me show you how tiny the room space is in the kitchen. It's like super, super tiny. And then I have this big picture from Kirkland's. And then I had to put the little side tables right here because I use the air fryer a lot, and you know, I just don't have room for anything. So anyway, now we're gonna go into the hallway. It is a long ass hallway. So this is the hallway, and the first door on the left is the bathroom. Of course, that's for this I got on Amazon. This is to hold the phone for like TikTok. We have a cute little window, and I love this little shower curtain. I got that from Walmart. And then this little pedestal and flowers for Kirkland's and Hobby Lobby. And then I really love this photo. It's just cozy, and I just really like it. I got that from Hobby Lobby, and this is from Magnolia at Target. And then this whole thing is from Target, Magnolia. And of course, I always have to have my little hand wash. And this is what the bathroom looks like from afar. It's a cute house. Okay, so then we have one of my favorite photos from Kirkland's Amazing Grace and my farmhouse. Craig's in there, so we're not going to go in there. And then this is from Magnolia also. And this is like kind of my girl room. So my best friend Diana, she comes and she stays with me. She hasn't in a minute. But this is her room. Yes, I actually have a room for my best friend to come stay with us because she works from home. So it's easy for her to come, work from home, hang out. And so we have our own room. So my favorite bed ever, Craig bought this for me for my birthday. And I love it. It is so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. And then I got this tray at Marshall's during Christmas. And I still have that Christmas tree there. Anyway, a bunch of pillows. All I like is white and beige. And then this table that Krista gave me. And then this little doodad from Kirkland's. My friend Heather gave me this wreath that I absolutely love. And it has a little sparkle. So these little sconces right here, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to leave them gold. I don't even know where I'm going to put them in the new house, but when I drove into the little town where we live, and I was at a light, and there's an antique shop. There's antique shops everywhere where I live. We live like downtown Fuquay. I might be saying it incorrectly, but whatever. And there's coffee shops, cute little restaurants, and antique shops. Like, they're awesome. So I found you at the window. I saw them when I was at the red light, and I was like, crap, I've been looking for some of those for like the longest time, and they're super expensive, and then they're always out of stock. So I got those two at the antique store, and I love them. I absolutely love them. So I go to this antique shop all the time, and the lady's so funny because she'll tell you nothing's priced, so she'll give you a price, and then she'll change her mind about it 5 minutes later. I'm like, okay, whatever. So this is Diana's room. There's Diesel. And then that man didn't take that to the shed, so it's just there because I have nowhere else to put it. And then there is my huge mirror that I waited forever to get it. Now, everybody's always asking me about this mirror. Okay, so they do have this at Anthrop and some other store. I forgot the name of it. But anyway, puppies, they're making a mess. So I got it at Kirkland's. So with my military discount, and then I got $60 off or something, coupon, I don't know, whatever. But it was, I literally paid like $260 for it. I've been looking for this mirror, and I've been waiting and stalking, and, you know, Craig's like, you're gonna spend $1,000 on a mirror, are you crazy? So, you know, when I got that one for less, he was so happy. Well, kind of. But anyway, so I love the mirror. I've been wanting it forever, and it's there. Pain in the ass to travel with it. So they always make a mess. All right, so I also have like this vintage dresser that I need to paint, and I have like a whole set. Here's the other one, and here are the heads. So I'm gonna paint these white. I found these at that vintage store, and I'm gonna paint them because I don't like the color, and they're not white, so I have to paint this one too. This one isn't vintage. I got this from Marshall's for like $5, and then Krista gave me this one for Christmas, and I love it. So I am going to display them kind of together like that. You'll see when I have the new house. And then these photos are from Kirkland's, and then this is from the retreat I did a couple weeks ago. It was so much fun. I just love the retreats that, you know, that Dana puts together. So I love them. And then this right here I got from an antique store in Oviedo, and I just love them. So I'm just going to keep them out because they're beige. And this is from Kirkland's. This is this is Studio McGee. All right, so the closet is full of like a lot of clothes. Oh no, not this closet. Puppies, look what they're. Stop chewing on mama's pillow. Sometimes I'll come into the room, and they'll take the tassels off the pillows. They're naughty. So I don't have a lot of closet space. The closet has a bunch of stuff that I actually wanted in the shed, but somehow made it into the house. So I had to get. So here's a rack. It has like my favorite stuff in it, and there's all my makeup stuff. Okay, puppies, behave. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroom house. Craig's office is in the other one, so it's kind of like storage. This is the bedroom, and the puppies love to lay here. Here they are. They love to lay here, so we always leave the door open so that they could stare out the window. Hi, Diesel. So this is it. This is just very simple. As you could see, everything's from Kirkland's and Hobby Lobby. And I didn't want to put a lot of holes on the walls, so I just kind of placed those there. But those are from Kirkland's. I think they still have them. The greenery is from Kirkland's. The candlesticks are from Kirkland's. And the little houses are from Magnolia like 2-3 years ago. I don't think they have them anymore. But this is what it looks like. And then those lanterns I got from Kirkland's. And this little bench. And we're gonna have to get a new bed because the puppies are big, and we sleep with them. We sleep with the puppies, and sometimes we don't all fit. So we're gonna get a bigger bed just for the puppies. I know, sounds crazy, but those are our babies. So this is the bathroom, which I kind of love. This is from, I think it's a Studio McGee, and I love it. And we have a big ass tree that has these, so I'm gonna go break some, steal some and put them in a vase. And basket is from Hobby Lobby. So it's just super, super cute. Craig bought me that shower curtain before I moved in, and he was so cute because he's like, I bought it in white and it has little poofies. So he's so cute. So then I just have this right here. I'm all about decorating. Okay, so the closet is kind of crazy. All right, so there's the, oh, I gotta flip. There's the door to come in, and there's the door for the closet. So we don't fit at the same time. Now, don't judge, the closet is a hot mess. Anyway, so those are dirty clothes. These are some of our clothes. And then these are blankets. And we kind of have to lay stuff on top of the blankets because, I mean, who the hell lived here? Giants, look. The bar is all the way to the top, and we can't reach it because we're not very tall. So we can't reach the bar, so we can't put clothes up there. So Krista suggested I get a little, like a little bar with a hook to put the, I'm like, I'm not doing all that, it's a pain in the butt. So anyway, this looks like, and that's it. As you can see, the hallway's super long. So these are Hobby Lobby, and I found these at, where did I find these? TJ Maxx. So the closet is actually the laundry room. So we don't have a room, actually, we have a closet. And then we have a really cute outside. There's Luna in her little bed, and Diesel's probably bugging her. That's what he does. So then go outside, and there's snow freaking everywhere. And we have like this cute little deck. Super cute. And there they go. And I'm going inside because it's cold. Oh, and I forgot to show you the best part. Okay, so we don't have a pantry in there in the kitchen. So the pantry, turn the light on, is actually in the hallway. So the linen closet I made into a pantry because I had to put all my Thrive somewhere. And that's it. That's our cozy little house. I will definitely keep you updated, like what we're doing for the new house and stuff like that. And I'll see you guys later.